Yo, what's up everybody? It's Travel Smarts back with another video, and let me tell you, this one is a game changer. We're talking about airports, those concrete jungles testing our patience. Endless lines, security checks, hidden fees. It's enough to make you want to swear off flying. But hold on, I'm about to share insider knowledge. By the end, you'll breeze through airports like a boss. Let's talk about airline prices. They seem random, right? But they're not. Dynamic pricing algorithms control them. They adjust prices based on demand and your browsing history. Use incognito mode to avoid tracking. Let's be real, airports can be stressful. The crowds, the delays, the constant noise, it's enough to make anyone want to pull their hair out. But there's a secret weapon: airport lounges, comfy chairs, free food, fast Wi-Fi, and maybe even a shower. It's like a mini vacation from the chaos. Think lounges are just for the rich? Wrong. Many credit cards offer lounge access, or buy a day pass for around $50. With free food and drinks, it's a sweet deal. Alright, let's talk about airport Wi-Fi. It's a lifesaver when you need to catch up on work, binge watch your favorite shows, or just let the world know you've arrived safely. But here's the thing. Public Wi-Fi, especially in airports, can be a hacker's paradise. Think of it like a crowded bar where anyone could be eavesdropping on your conversations. Not ideal, right? But don't worry, I'm not telling you to ditch the Wi-Fi altogether. Just be smart about it. First and foremost, always use a VPN. Chapter 4. Security Lines. How to escape the airport labyrinth. Airport security lines are the worst. But don't worry, I've got tips to help you breeze through. Sign up for TSA. Pre-check to skip long lines. Choose the leftmost checkpoint, it's usually less crowded. Chapter 5. Baggage fees. Don't let them weigh you down. Alright, let's talk about baggage fees, the bane of every traveler's existence. Airlines have gotten seriously sneaky with these fees, but don't worry, I've got some tricks up my sleeve to help you outsmart them. First up, embrace the power of layering. Wear your heaviest clothes and shoes on the plane to avoid exceeding those pesky weight restrictions. It might not be the most fashionable look, but hey, comfort over style, right? Next, choose your luggage wisely. Invest in a lightweight carry-on bag that fits within the airline size restrictions. And always double-check the weight restrictions before you get to the airport. Chapter 6. Plane seats. Decoding the art of seat selection. Alright, let's talk about plane seats, because let's be real, not all seats are created equal. Choosing the right seat can make or break your flight, so pay attention, people. First up, Seat Guru is your new best friend. This website is like a crystal ball for plane seats, showing you the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. You can see which seats have extra legroom, which ones are close to the restrooms, avoid those, and even which ones have limited recline. Next, timing is everything. The earlier you book your flight, the better your chances of snagging that coveted window or aisle seat. Chapter 7. Free upgrades, myths versus reality. Let's talk about free upgrades, the holy grail of air travel. Rumors say dress nicely, be extra nice to the gate agents, and bam, first class. But is it really that easy? It's a long shot, but not impossible. Here are a few tips to increase your chances. Dress presentably, leave the sweatpants at home, be kind to gate agents, kindness goes a long way. Volunteer to be bumped to a later flight. Alright, let's talk about flight delays, the ultimate travel buzzkill. Nobody wants to be stuck in the airport any longer than they have to, so listen up. First up, timing is everything. The early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the on-time flight. Flights that depart early in the morning are less likely to be delayed because there's less air traffic congestion. Next, choose your days wisely. Alright, let's talk about airport layovers, the necessary evil of air travel. Sometimes they're unavoidable, but that doesn't mean they have to be a complete drag. First up, if you're facing a long layover, check out sleepinginairports.net. This website is a lifesaver, providing reviews and tips on the best places to sleep in airports around the world. Next, noise-canceling headphones are your new best friend. Airports are loud and chaotic, so blocking out the noise is essential for getting some shut-eye. Alright, let's talk about duty-free shopping, the ultimate airport temptation. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of duty-free deals, but not everything is as good as it seems. First up, do your research before you even set foot in the airport. Compare prices online to see if those duty-free deals are actually worth it. You might be surprised at what you find. Next, focus on liquor and cosmetics. Boom! There you have it! Insider secrets to conquer any airport like a seasoned traveler. We've covered everything from cracking the airline pricing code to scoring free upgrades, avoiding delays, and even sleeping like a king or queen in the middle of a crowded terminal. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the knowledge to travel smarter, cheaper, and most importantly, stress-free. So go forth, my fellow travelers, and dominate those airports. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel.